During our time and during their time, basta nag-committee report, tapos yun na yun, mag-interpellation. Pero pagdating ng period of amendment, magsasubmit lang sa chairman lahat. Hindi alam ng taong bayan kung ano yung mga sinubmit. Unlike what we want to do today. Kaya mabuti na lang na binabanggit nila sapagkat madali naman makikita yung record. Meron naman record si Senator Gatchalian ng mga nag-propose kung sino. Salamat sa kanila sapagkat nakita ngayon na transparent talaga at lahat ng period pwede natin tanungin at lilitaw lahat yan.
Ang punto ko lang naman po, we cannot be half transparent. That's what I'm saying. Kasi you have 400 billion change. So that's 323 change from the program and 72 billion from the unprogrammed, 400 billion. If you look at the TSN, which is not uploaded, you have to request it from the technical working group. Hindi naman nakalagay doon line by line kung sino nag-propose except pag agency. Nasagot naman ni chairman kung sino nag-approve. So ang nag-recommend TWG, tapos ang nag-approve vice chairman. But I'm saying nga, member ako ng committee There was no notice na magbobotohan or kung paano itong gagawin. Committee report na lang. What I'm saying, Senator Soto, is that kung magre-reform na rin tayo, itodo na rin natin. Di ba? In another world, if I move, bumalik tayo sa NEP at yung nagpalit ng 400 billion, isa-isang tumayo at magsabi, then they justify. Then we have complete transparency. Di ba? But I just pointing out that it seems hindi natin tinodo yung transparency if we don't know saan nanggaling